Understanding the phrase, not as described. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, not as described. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, especially in customer service and product reviews. If you're ready, let's dive into the details and examples to fully understand this useful phrase. Not as described refers to a situation where the actual condition or attributes of an item, service, or situation differ significantly from its description. This discrepancy can be about the quality, function, or any other characteristic that was promised or expected. In consumer affairs, not as described is a critical term. It's often used by customers who feel that the product or service they receive does not match the seller's description. For example, if you order a red shirt online, but receive a blue one, you can rightfully claim that the item is not as described. The phrase, not as described, can also have legal implications, especially in business and consumer rights law. If a product or service is significantly not as described, customers might be entitled to a refund, exchange, or compensation. Understanding this term is crucial for both consumers and businesses to ensure fair transactions. When faced with a not as described situation, communication is key. Whether you're a customer making a complaint or a business addressing a concern, being clear, precise, and professional in explaining the discrepancy can lead to a better resolution. The phrase, not as described, plays a significant role in our daily transactions and interactions. Understanding its meaning, usage, and implications helps in effective communication and problem-solving. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in clarifying the phrase, not as described. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content.